Honda forever, ride or die. Good day, everybody. Good day. Thanks for tuning into another one. We're going to be doing a waterless wash and wax video on the motorcycle. My last video, and I will link it up above, like I said, I rode my motorcycle all the way up to Harriman State Park, which is good. But what was not good, as you can see, these little like streaks of dirt. That's just from like all the dirt and mud fleeing up. I've got it on like the shock absorber here. I've got some more there. I'll probably show this side because it's easier to see. See that? A lot of dirt, a lot of mud, very dusty, you know, all above the frame. Headlight, pretty mucky. This is the shield that I'm running. And it looks kind of goofy, but it helps a little bit. It keeps most of the wind off of like your chest. See, you've got like road dirt sling all over the fender, the exhaust. Not so much, I guess. Exhaust is whatever. These are the Viking bags that I have. But the dirtiest part is going to be anything that's really in the front. Excuse me, like right there, here, all this stuff on the front. Around here, shock fork, left side of the fender. Look how dusty that is. It's like you could feel it. I have, in my opinion, my favorite product in between car washes. Not a super like deep cleaning car wash in a bottle, but it's darn close. It actually does leave that Rain-X coating over the vehicle on the paint after you dry it. Well, after you buff it off. Is going to be this right here. It's going to be the Rain-X waterless car wash and rain repellent. It says all that stuff right there. No wax needed. It's voted whatever. But anyways, spray it on. Liberally. Like you want to just spray the stuff on. Almost like you're trying to cake it on there, right? Now you can do one small section at a time if you want. But just for the sake of example, this wouldn't hurt either. Right? You want to just spray it on, and you see how I sprayed it on, and it's real liberal, which means you spray it on a lot. Then you want to just let that sit in there for maybe a minute or two. Wouldn't hurt. And the purpose of that is to let the spray work its way into the dirt and soften it up. So that way when you wipe it with your first microfiber, it'll come off real easy. Okay. Now, as you can see, it looks pretty clean, right? Not entirely out of the woods yet. What you want to do is you reach for your buffing microfiber or your second microfiber. And what this is going to do is it's going to add luster to what you just buffed out, which is all the dirt and muck and all that stuff. And booyah, there you go, folks. I know there's rock chips. It leaves a real nice gloss, like nice deep shine to the motorcycle. Now you compare that to another sheet metal piece on the bike, like the gas tank. Gas tank, dirty. Front fender, mint. Except for that rock chip. Let's get to this gas tank. As you can see, that's pretty nasty. All right, do that. Okay. All right. All right. Then you just want to wait a couple seconds. You're gonna let the dirt saturate. You're gonna let the dirt get saturated, or you're gonna allow it time to soak into the dirt. And there you have it, folks. In a matter of minutes, literally in a matter of minutes, the motorcycle just went from being a little dirty and musty and dusty to being nice and shiny. Whew. How are we gonna get this back fender nice? All right. So now we have the back fender exposed, as you can see. It's pretty dirty, you know, pretty dusty. We're just gonna spray that. We're gonna go to town. So, just like that. Spray it. All right. Quick wipe. Okay. Quick wipe. See that? Nice and easy. Just wipe. Now if you take note there, I didn't wait at all because I just sort of didn't feel like it, you know? That's okay. Just a quick wipe. This is the purpose of this videos, real quick videos, to show how quick you can wipe down a vehicle with this waterless wash and wax. I'm not going to be touching any of the chrome on the bike, so unfortunately that stuff's going to remain the way it is, but that's that. That's it. Ta-da! There you have it, folks. The bike is pretty much done. So we got our front fender, got our gas tank, and those are scuffs. We got our back fender. See that? Nice and shiny. See the deep gloss that it leaves? This is going to be really good for next time. It's going to help keep most of the dirt and muck off. So it's going to help it stay pretty clean, mostly clean. But if you look down there, the sheet metals are nice. Nice and clean. It's gonna be far from perfect, trust me. But it's gonna be farther from dirty than it was before. there you have it. Nice and clean, better than it was before. Fenders, gas tank, airbox, engine top end covers, side covers, back fender. Minty. We'll buff that out too. Alright y'all, so go ahead and do me a solid. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more. See you in the next one.